Hello everybody and welcome to a very fresh episode on Tussar Banarasi, YouTube episode number 160, Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and all these are just freshly woven from the loom. Product number 1, it's a beautiful wine color, very dark coffee wine color, rich beautiful color with Meena woven buta, antique zari, beautiful weaves in the body. See the buta, it has red and rani, two color Meena buta with zari. The color is extremely rich and we love this color because any age can wear this and any complexion can carry this color. 11,500, product number 1, with a rich woven blouse piece. Very rich weave all over buta, big butas with the Meena there, and here is the color, how it will look. All hand woven, pure Tussar Banarasi. Once again, the pallu and the blouse piece for you. Product number 2, similar one in bottle green, same price. Everything is pure hand woven handloom product from Banaras, and this is also with the same Meena buta and this lovely dhala zari. Upper part will have a narrower border and the lower part will have a broader border. So here is a very traditional Tussar Banarasi, heavy quality Tussar, 11,500, again with a rich woven blouse piece. You can wear mix and match with a dark red color also, like I have mix and match with a Jamewar silk blouse. So these kind of silks you can mix and match with these tussars also. But at the same time the sari blouse looks equally pretty, make it with a red piping, because the blouse piece already has a red border, so use that red piping border in the blouse piece. So it's a very rich color combination, very dark bottle green with Meena buta in red and rani. Product number 2. Now product number 3, jet black with a lavender combination, mauve and black color, very unique color combination. See the border color, lavender, lovely mauve color with Katan silk mauve blouse piece and also the pallu. So Tussar with Katan weaving all over buta, no join, it's a running fabric, beautifully woven, hand woven with in jet black, and it has zari buta all over throughout till the end. And here is the rich color combination, black and mauve. It's exactly the color of onion skin color. Very pretty color combination. Here is once again the pallu part and the blouse piece for you. Now coming to another lovely color combination of a very soft peachish tone, skin tone, very pretty color combination, and see the lovely Katan silk pink border with Meena. Product number 4, 14,900 with gorgeous rich blouse piece. It's an exquisite combination. See the blouse piece. Can you see the Meena weave? And the body color is equally pretty. It's a very rare color, comes once in a blue moon. Two-tone, stunning piece. The blending of a very pastel shade with a pale pink color combination, it's a gorgeous piece. product number 4. And once again, just see the buttas. The butta will, in gold butta will with also meena in between. So here is a close up of a beautiful sari which I just showed, and here is another very rich color combination. Today I'll show you some very glam combinations. It's a very dark Prussian blue, peacock blue color, a very darker tone. Neither bottle green nor peacock blue, in between a very dark tone with a rani color border, zari weave all over butta. Absolutely rich color combination with Katan silk rani blouse piece. Product number 5, 13,500. Here is the blouse piece. See, with this sari, this is the blouse piece. Very pretty color combination, very rich. These look very, very rich. This two-tone pure tussar. See the color, the border, the combination, the nakshi woven border in the borders, the buttas. The overall look is very ethnic, very ethnic. Now product number 6. Last time many of you all had requested me to show virgin color tussar, the natural color tussar. This is also a very in demand color combination, natural color tussar with gold butta and bottle green border. It looks very, very pretty. Beautiful color combination, virgin color tussar, pure tussar Banarasi with dark bottle green. See the color combination and the richness of the katan, all heavy quality katan silk blouse and also the best quality tussar. Pallu, rich pallu and rich contrast blouse piece, and throughout the sari will have the butta till the end, and see the color. And I drape all the sari for you to understand the fall of the product. So this way you can understand how the fall is. It's stiff, it's soft, it's see-through, whatever you can have an idea. Of course, in online or in the video, it's not possible to feel the texture, but at least you can see the fall of the product, whether it's standing out or whether the look, how the look will come on draping. Now coming to product number 7, another deep wine color with Tilfi butta. The buttas don't have zari. It's in silk resham weave, hand woven. The border will have the nakshi woven copper zari and the body will be in rich meena weave. The blouse piece, zari weave, 12,900 for this, even with in a very rich color combination. And since the body is contrast meena butta, so you can wear it with the same sari blouse only, it will look very pretty, or else you can wear a gold blouse, but if you don't get time to make it before the puja, but whatever, it can be a beautiful wedding collection for the upcoming season, Diwali collection for gifting. Another, it will get a pride in your wardrobe, a beautiful hand woven tussar Banarasi. Now coming to another very gorgeous color combination, deep orange, not the loud color, it's a very pretty deep rustish orange with Rani color combination. Wedding season, beautiful color combination, rich Banarasi with Rani color blouse piece. See against this color, this is looking so very, very gorgeous. Product number 8, 13,500, pure tussar Banarasi. This is the last episode that I will be showing before the pujas. Then I'll take a break. So those who want to get these for your Diwali or for your upcoming wedding season and all, you can just this is a beautiful color combination. It's a very pretty sari. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. We are a 20, for those who are new to my channel, we are a 26-year-old label in the fashion industry. Mainly we work with direct weavers, hand woven and weaves from different states, mainly Rajasthan and Banaras, Bengal and many more. Kashmir, beautiful hand weaves like this is from Banaras, all hand woven saris. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, where you will be getting the men's ethnic wear collection also. The link is provided, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The album men's wear, you can check out our menswear collection there. This is the blouse piece for the sari in a onion pink shade, mauvish, grey and mauve, beautiful color combination. And the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Till the Durga Puja we will be opening every day, even on a Sunday for you. And then other than that, Monday to Saturday 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we are open every day. So just during the pujas we will be closing for 4 days from Saptami to Dashera. So we will be announcing. You can check out our Facebook page. As I said, announcements are made announcement for the next episode of the YouTube channel is also uploaded there. Regular uploads of these still pictures will be there in the album, photo album, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Photo album in Sanskriti, in the Facebook page will be uploaded. And also subscribe to our channel Sanskriti Kolkata so that you can get regular notifications of the next episode what will be shown. We show variety of weaves and variety of our embroidered items. In every episode there is something new for you. This is a beautiful color combination again in midnight blue with Meena border. Previously all I was showing now was Meena Buta. So now coming to the Meena border. 13,500 for this. Satin Meena woven border in silk and body is in pure tussar. Very rich color combination. Dark royal blue with a teal color in sea green color blouse piece in Katan with Meena border. So what a pretty color combination. You can check out our album. It's a very precious album to me because most of my Sanskriti Srimoti's photos wearing our products are uploaded there, and I really find it one of the most richest album in my page because you look so beautiful in all the drapes that you've been taking. Your support is really means a lot to us. Again another very uncommon color combination, mint green with red blouse piece Katan. See the combination. Pallu, and here is the silk blouse piece, pure Katan silk blouse piece with this mint color combination. It's a two-tone sea green mint color combination, dual tone, and here is the sari. Booty all over Buta. These colors look so gorgeous, really they look really gorgeous. Now product number 12, Agomoni collection, pure tussar with again zari Buta all over. This is a very traditional sari. We need these for all our rituals. This combination is really adored. 12,900 for this. Here is the blouse piece in rich red. See the color combination and the weave. Both side red woven, zari woven border. You just need a red biddi with this. And loads of gold jewelry. You look stunning. Sorry. Another similar combination, but that was in a lighter shade of tussar, and this is in a darker shade of tussar. This is more of a deeper beige color, biscuit color, that was creamish color. Again with a red border, the border weave changes, and here is the all over lovely buta with the pallu, 13,500, and again with a rich red Katan silk blouse piece for this. You really need these for, when you're in your daughter's wedding, or when you want to, son's wedding, during the pujas, Ashtami, Diwali, lovely these and so traditional, and everybody should have one of these combinations in the wardrobe. It's a beautiful, never goes out of fashion. Year after year, generation after generation, you need this combination. And we Bengalis just drool over this color combination. This is the buta closely for you, and this is the pallu. Wow. A lovely shade of magenta with purple. Another very, very rich color combination with buta. All tussar Banarasi. Traditional weaves. See the color. This is a very deep purple, not the brighter, louder color. It's going very well with this magenta color. This is 12,900. See the rich border weave. Very gorgeous, bright, and we love these colors. See, it's neither red nor rani, so it's a lovely shade. Heavy quality tussar, pure tussar, heavy quality, all hand woven and all karua weave, all karua weaves I am showing you today. Rich peacock blue with Rani. Each combination will catch your eye today. Do leave a comment if you like the products. We ship worldwide. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. Courier charges are applicable. Cash on delivery charges a little more than the courier charges because there is the service involved. There's somebody, a person is involved who will be going and bringing the, delivering the product and coming back. So that charges is a bit more than the regular courier charges. So this is another, see the color combination, rich peacock blue. $12,900 for this. You can visit the store for more options, but to get particularly this product, prior booking is necessary because every time you won't get the same product even after 1-2 months. So first come first serve basis. Once you make the payment, it will be couriered to you. Within 3 working days we will courier it, and if if it's outside India, we do couriering also. So the charges depend on the weight and destination. The more you buy, the less you pay for the shipping. 16,500. Again, a very rich Karua Meena woven. Why it's expensive so much? The price difference from the others. Let me explain. See the number of lines that has been used, and each line has totally Meena weave, hand weave, Meena weave. Each buta, intricate weave with Meena, and everything, as I said, Karwa weave, hand weave, absolutely. See the back side. You can understand this is totally hand woven with rich contrast blouse piece along with the pallu. See the body, this is the body part, and both side it has Meena weave, not one side, the upper side and the lower side both will have the exquisite master weave. These are totally master woven saris, and here is the blouse piece for this, and color combination. See the color combination, rich burgundy with Rani, awesome color combination, and the total get up, it's just a beautiful, absolutely stunning piece of weave. 16,500 for this. See the pallu. The pallu weave is equally rich. Similar one in black and Rani red color combination. These are totally new weaves that has come for the festive season. I'll show you the colors and the butta. See the butta. All Tilfi butta, hand woven. And the pallu, what a stunning Banarasi traditional woven, very fine weave pallu. And now the border. The more time the weaver gives in each pattern, the price increases. Blouse. Jet black. Another absolutely uncommon color combination. Those were in gold zari. Now here comes a silverish zari. And the color is going so well with this silver zari. The color is slate, coffee slate color, very uncommon color combination with deep red and Rani color border. Gorgeous, very, very gorgeous piece. 16,500, product number 18. See the color. And once you make the payment, kindly send your name, full address, country, zip code and telephone number in one format when you are giving us the shipping details. After payment, we need all these details in one message. These kind of simple tussar Banarasi with lovely butta, little Meena butta, dhala zari border. These also, you require sometimes when you're not going to, other than those heavy quality ones, heavy weave ones, even you need these kind of 12,900 rupees. See the rich woven purple blouse piece and magenta body. This is in magenta with red and Rani Meena. These kind of, these also look so pretty on wearing to any formal occasion. I have another rich wine color. That was magenta. Now this is wine. Today I'll be showing very, very rich colors. And please give me options. Options with, when you are making the booking, suppose this is number 20, so 20 or 24. Anyone, of course you give me your first preference, whichever is available, but it's best if you can give me some options. 12,900, as mostly the previous episodes products are not available in these hand weaves and Katha, Kalamkari, these are single piece, so we can't make in bulk. But of course the other sarees like matka and all, you can get regular pieces, but exactly same piece in handloom, it's very difficult to recreate. So we do not take orders for all these. So there are two numbers that is going on the screen. 7603042696, only booking, no calls in that number. There's the other 983 number. In case of emergency, you can make calls there, but book in any one of the number, not both the numbers. After you make the payment, you send the payment screenshot to both the numbers. Please don't do that. Just send the screenshot of your payment to the number you have done the booking. Suppose you have booked this product, you've made the payment in 7603042696, please wait, you will definitely get your reply. In that number only you send the screenshot of your payment. 10,900, a very reasonably ranged all over booty, sleek border, rich peacock blue color, narrow border Banarasi. See, all over Meena Buta, sleek border, but with a rich blouse piece. Number 21, very smart looking, gorgeous sari, peacock blue with, here comes the pallu part and here comes the blouse piece. Once again the buta, I'll show you closely the buta. These colors are very much in demand. Now I'll show you a very sober color. Those who want lighter shade, the traditional color, neutral color. See, these are also very rich. You can wear it with a Rani red color bi-color combination blouse. It looks very pretty. See, I'm holding it against red. Looking really gorgeous. And also you can definitely use this blouse piece also, because this has a different class in itself. These kind of blouse also look very pretty. Not always, sometimes they also need to look very subtle, but at the same time very classy. This is prices 10,500, I suppose. 13,500 with this rich Tilfi buta again. Very pretty butas, very smart border. Very rich weave with heavy blouse piece. All the details is mentioned in the description part. See, there's a description part. Kindly, when you are doing the booking, take the screenshot of the product where the name, the number and the price is mentioned. Take the screenshot. See this scroll, the screenshot is clearly mentioned. Now here comes some very, very gorgeous fashionable Banarasi. These are traditional, but at the same time very, very hep looking actually. Beautiful, because it is in jet black and it has very intricate woven Chandni Zari border. Booties all over. Now see the rich pallu, 13,900. Very rich, stunning paisley border, buta, pallu and a gorgeous blouse piece. See, all over sari will have the buta and just wear chunks of silver jewelry. Wow, very pretty. With this, you can also try the neck piece that I am wearing. It's a polki setting, rice pearl, very smart looking neck piece, 5,500. Polki setting. And the sari price is going in the scroll. I already said you the price of the sari. I really need a reading glass now, I think. So it's best to see the screenshot. Number 24. Another very rich color, silver zari. These kind of saris, even the bangle that I am wearing, it's a uncut, abstract marble stone with rice pearl setting, 1250 rupees for this. You can open and just wear it, this wristlet. Very simple, but it looks very nice. And see the border. That was in black and this is in rich dark wine coffee color. 13,900 for this. Again with rich blouse piece. I had worn one of a very nice mouse color, a grayish brown color in an earlier episode, and then from then I've given my weaver to weave these, and finally they have given this after almost 7 to 8 months. So this is the time they require for these handloom saris. See the butas, the border. Number 25, similar silver zari in navy. Those didn't have the piping border. This includes one extra piping border, but the price remains the same. Another very glamorous color, dark navy blue color. $13,900. All the colors are very, very uncommon and very pretty with silver zari. Very pretty. Now the one that I am wearing, I'll show you more colors in this. Meena Karwa, all Karwal saris. Silver zari. Meena butas. Meena booty in the border, Meena booty in the body. Color black. Charcoal black color. 14,900. Rich, rich, rich woven pallu. The heritage of India. Pride of Banaras. Banarasi are very, very rich textile. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous sari. Here is the sari actually. Even with red, it's looking so pretty. Blouse piece. I think with Rani this will also look nice. It has a running blouse piece because it is red and Rani. Very pretty. Another color, midnight blue, same as what I am wearing, all single piece, silver zari. I really find so much pride in showing you these hand weave sarees because I know the effort and the time it has, given in this creation. 14,900 again, Tussar Banarasi hand woven original real Kadua sarees with running blouse piece. It will have the same running blouse piece throughout. And the one that I am wearing, this color is also available. It's a deep chocolate color, coffee color tone, again with Meena border, Meena Buta, red and Rani, pallu, and blouse piece. And I always like to mix and match with the contrast blouse. And this is the neck piece I've already told you. And the mannequin. The mannequin, my dear doll, is wearing lime green color with bright Rani border, all over paisley buta and a gorgeous rich Rani blouse piece with this. See the weave, the texture, the quality, very pretty color combination, very gorgeous. 14,900 for this. The upper part will have a narrower border than the lower part. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay safe, stay healthy.